Hey everybody, welcome to the Revenue Growth Fast Frame of the Week. I'm here with Steve King, Chief Revenue Officer of Hexagon PPM. Hexagon PPM is a leading global provider of engineering software for the design, construction, and operation of very large plants and industrial facilities. So Steve, you were kind enough to stop by. Always good to see you. And you have transformed a few organizations in your time. So I thought it would be great if you would share with the audience if there were 3 to 4 things that as a new chief commercial officer, new chief revenue officer, you were walking in and you had to help evolve a business towards a transformation. What would your advice be?
Great question. A few things I'd call out. One is top-down support is absolutely critical. I was very fortunate when I came into Hexagon that the president of the division was very supportive of all the things we ultimately ended up doing and are doing in terms of changing the company to drive growth, and has given me a great deal of latitude and support to drive that agenda. Another thing is the team that I've built is full of people that have been there and done that before. Why is that important? Well, we're not making mistakes as we go. Of course, we'll stumble a bit here and there, but things that in the past maybe took a year to figure out the first time, we know that now, so we can get to the answer much quicker with less risk. And so the been there, done that team is critically important for us. I think another thing would be the sequence matters. So
it really does.
It does. One of the things I did early on when I came in is I put up what was called the sales performance ecosystem. And I showed that to people, and it kind of goes through each of the elements of that ecosystem. Frankly, it was too much complexity. It just was not something that resonated. I put that picture up a year later, and it resonates. And so big lesson there was you don't have to pull the curtain back and show everything that's part of the transformation plan. Show those pieces as you go along, right? And then at the end of a year, you look back and lo and behold, you've accomplished a lot of things and it resonates better with people, and then change can occur faster. I think another, maybe a last point would be leading from the front. So as you know, I spend a ton of time out in the field. Do not sit in headquarters dreaming these things up. It's out there helping our frontline managers, helping our reps, interacting with customers, I mean, being in their shoes, doing their job. And I think that helps with credibility, number one, and also just an understanding of the business and kind of what you're doing, how that's impacting those out in the field. So that leading from the front's been another key element of success for us. Very
good. Those are 4 great points. So thanks for stopping by.
Thanks, Matt.
All right, everybody, there you heard it. 4 things you got to nail if you're going to make that always scary but required evolution as you continue to outpace the market and competition. Until next time, I wish you good luck as you try and make your number.